Hello, sir. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to download Photoshop 7.0. For this, open any browser you have. I am using Google Chrome for it. Click on, then search softmany.com. Softmany dot softmany.com. This is the Adobe Photoshop 7.0 latest version. The latest version updated on 9 October 2024. This is the Adobe Photoshop 7.0. The file size will be 160 MB and the file will be in zip file. Then click on Adobe Photoshop 7. Download. Just loading. I am using IDM for download any software. Oh, shit. Insert. And then click on Adobe Photoshop 7.0. This file will be here because I am using IDM. If you don't use IDM software, then the download will be on there, and it will come with the genuine key. I will show the key because many guys will don't know the key. The key is this Adobe Photoshop 7.0 real original key. Any YouTuber don't show the key, but I just show the key. This is the genuine key. Download it and extract it. Then click on setup. Double click on it setup and then give the serial key. It's the original key. So thank you for watching. Bye. Like and subscribe.